Yay! 8.5. Woo! That was a 9. 4.
2.
8.
You got to go all the way over. Straight down the middle.
Whoa.
Yay! Good job.
7. 8. 9. 10. 11. 12. 13. 8. Is that enough?
Whoa.
That's a lot of flipping you're doing.
I mean, out of the water.
You practicing your diving? Are you all done diving?
Yes, I'm all done. I'm all done diving.